Struggling to choose a phone screen? On a tight budget? Confused by screen specs and parameters? What do FHD and HD Plus actually mean? And what's the difference between COP, COF, and COG? In this video, we'll walk you through how to choose the right phone display. In the previous episode, we talked about the differences between OLED and LCD. Today, let's take a look at screen resolution, FHD versus HD+. FHD means a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. It delivers sharper images and clearer details, making it ideal for watching films and playing games. HD Plus usually refers to 720p, commonly 1440 by 720 pixels. It's perfectly usable for everyday tasks, but the image quality is noticeably lower. It's more suitable for basic browsing and social media. If you care about high-quality video and visuals, FHD is the better option. If your needs are fairly basic, HD Plus is good enough for everyday use. Finally, let's talk about COP, COF, and COG. These are different display packaging technologies. COP, the chip is mounted directly onto a plastic substrate. This allows for a thinner and lighter design, commonly used in high-end smartphones, but it comes at a higher cost. COF, the chip is mounted on a flexible film. It offers greater flexibility and a good balance between performance and cost, making it widely used across many devices. COG, the chip is mounted directly onto the glass. It's more durable and stable, making it suitable for phones that prioritize robustness and reliability. If you're after maximum screen-to-body ratio and slim bezels, go for COP or COF. If value for money is your priority, COG is still a perfectly acceptable choice. That's it for today's quick guide to choosing a smartphone display. Follow me. I'll help you choose a phone screen without getting ripped off. If there's anything else you'd like to learn about, leave a comment below. See you in the next video.